Everything you are looking at on screen right now was generated completely locally on my own PC, with 0 render queues and 0 monthly subscriptions. While most creators are trapped paying expensive recurring fees just to make a few seconds of video, I am running a full AI video production workflow directly off my own computer. Today, I am showing you how to start generating unlimited AI videos straight from your PC. The AI video space right now is basically a subscription trap. You sign up for a platform, pay $20 or $30 a month, and they give you a limited account tier. The second you start experimenting, trying different camera angles, adjusting motion, or fixing a glitchy frame, you hit limits or get hit with upgrade banners. Before you know it, you have spent $40 to generate maybe a minute of usable footage. Today, we are looking at how to completely streamline that process and execute a full desktop AI workflow without touching a single node or paying recurring software bills. That is where a tool called SimpliGen comes in. Instead of routing your requests through a crowded server farm, SimpliGen runs AI models directly on your own machine. Once it is installed on your PC, the concept of a monthly paywall completely vanishes. If you want to render 10 clips, 100 clips, or leave it running all night to generate 1,000 video variations, it costs you nothing extra. You own the hardware, so you own the output. Now, historically, running local AI tools has been an absolute nightmare. Usually, it involves installing Python, messing around with command prompt, fixing broken dependencies, and digging through obscure forms just to get a basic web interface to launch. If a tool takes 3 hours of troubleshooting just to install, most creators give up and go back to paying monthly fees. SimpliGen fixes that entire barrier. When you open the software, everything is organized into clean, dedicated studios and asset tools right on the side panel. To get started, you pop into the Marketplace or Preset Store. This is where you browse and install preset packs for whatever workflow you need, whether that is character-based models, upscale models, or specific video engines. You will find options like LTX 2.3 for cinematic text-to-video, audio lip-syncing presets, and WAN 2.2 models that are optimized specifically to run on consumer GPUs with as low as 8 GB of VRAM. You just click Install on the preset you want, and it sets up locally on your computer. From there, you hit Generate and choose your media type, either image or video. If you choose video, you select your style preset, like WAN 2.2 for text-to-video or image-to-video. Once you click into the creation dashboard, you get complete studio control over every element of your shot. In the source image section, you can drop in a reference frame or character photo to lock in your subject. Below that, the subject and framing controls give you structured fields to describe the exact motion, select your camera angle or shot type, and define the environment background. On the right panel, you can set your negative prompts to filter out bad artifacts, dial in your seed numbers, and set your generation. Because you install these preset models locally onto your PC, the entire rendering process happens straight off your GPU. After your prompts look good, just hit Generate and wait for the results. Having that kind of control means you can build fully consistent characters, iterate on lighting and mood, and tweak motion sliders until your shot looks perfect, all without stressing about hitting generation limits. It has a dedicated tab for creating characters, so you don't have to worry about character consistency. It also has AI UGC Ad Studio and Product Studio. You can try it if you make UGC content. Look, here is what I made with the UGC Studio.
I wasn't expecting much from this fragrance, but after wearing it for a week, I keep getting compliments. It's fresh, clean, and honestly smells way more expensive than it is.
At the end of the day, paying for online AI platforms is fine if you only generate 1 video a month. But if you are a creator, animator, or storyteller who needs volume, control, and 0 recurring overhead, running your AI video pipeline locally is the future. SimpliGen gives you total creative control, complete privacy, and 0 generation caps. Your PC does the heavy lifting. If you want to start generating unlimited AI videos on your own machine, I left the link right at the top of the description below. Go check it out, run a few renders on your PC, and let me know in the comments how many projects are you working on this week, and I will see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching! See you next time! See you next time!